Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Phoenix Trading. So today we are looking at the crude oil chart. So I have made some observations. So I feel that I should share this observation with you, and it's very useful while trading. So you can guess where the market is going or how to position yourself in the market. Because sometimes no trading also a part of your trading plan, right? Last few weeks are very volatile in the market, so there are no swing trades available. That's why there is no new video. But we are doing some BTSCs now, and it's working very good in this kind of volatile market. So I'll share the details after a month, I guess, with you. I am still testing that with my existing client. So yes, let's say how it goes. But we'll see the crude oil. Yesterday, crude oil fell something around uh, 12%, right? So it's a huge fall in a one day, but it's not a surprise basically. On chart, it's due. Few days back, it fell from the top for 15% in a one day. Okay, so this next move is just a distribution, right? It's just a distribution of the current trend जो नीचे आने वाला था crude oil. That position already in this candle. The rejection candle, it's a big red bar, or you can say black bar. It's a negative bar. 14% fall in one day. It's a huge fall, and market never recovered. Crude market never able to cross that high after that, right? So on the basis of RSI also, we can see a clear divergence here. So those who have completed the technical analysis course, they know what is the divergence and the effect of that divergence, right? So this is the RSI relative strength index, and you can find a clear divergence. It is a lower high. Price is in the same range, but RSI is making a lower high, right? So crude has broke a trend line also here, correct? If I draw a trend line here, so it broke this trend line, then retesting also completed, and again a big fall, right? So what will be the next level in crude, correct? So we'll check it on a weekly basis. We'll delete all drawings for a while. So weekly basis, this big bullish candle has a significance. Okay, if the this is an open low also candle for a week. So if this low get removed, then we can see a big fall in crude. That is, the crude will be rich till this level. So for me, it's a big demand zone for a crude. So we can see a fall around 7,000 level, and if that get breached, then a 6,300 level. So this two level is very important for me, and I personally I feel that crude oil will get reduced because this is too much now. This cost is not affordable for many countries, and now Citibank is declaring that $45 per barrel, and some reports are saying it will be $350 per barrel. So all kind of news are floating in the market, but we will stick to the chart. So as per chart, I can feel in Indian rupees like 7,700 rupees per barrel is current market price. So I think it will be 7,000, or the worst case scenario for a current timeline, it will be a 6,351 rupees. So that is a technical chart of the crude oil. So how it will be affect our Sensex, right? So here is another study. Here is another chart I'm opening here. So here I am comparing crude with Sensex of India. Okay. So this brown line is a crude oil line. This is a crude chart. I'm comparing with the blue line. Blue line is a Sensex line. So I'm taking data from 2020. That time for some days or a one day crude goes below zero actually because of some technical error or a less demand because of the corona. It went below $0. per barrel. So you can imagine the havoc in the market at that time. And our Sensex also fell. But the way crude failed, Sensex hasn't dropped that much, right? So after that, till July 21, crude is always underperform the Sensex. Or you can say whenever the crude is below its performance, so below its like trend, Sensex is doing well because we are the importer of the crude, right? So we required a lot of crude oil for our businesses. So it definitely get benefited. So whenever the crude overperform, like our Sensex, you can see here after February, January 21, right? Here. Then Sensex get flat or it started underperforming and the difference is getting increased and our market fell sharply after that and crude is still going up. So now the difference is too much between Sensex and the crude. Okay. And this won't happen in the market for a long time. So it's a rule of the market, mean reversion. It can't be always in the upper hand. It has to cool down. Either way, either crude will get reduced or it will try to come near Sensex or Sensex will rise itself. And this both will collide at some point. So currently the difference is too much. So I feel that crude will ease for a while as I draw a trend line from here. Right? Crude has broke the important trend line since December 21. So almost 7-8 months trend line now removed. So we can see a major fall. And it's good for our market, like paint industries and many industries are dependent on crude. So that industries will get benefit of it. So let's check out the SGX Nifty right now. It's showing positive, not much, but yes, showing a positive for a while. So yes, the market is very volatile and unstable. Heavy FII is selling there since last many months. So keep low profile for a while. Don't trade. What I can say, forcefully. Just wait for your setup and don't put aggressive position in the market. Okay, because protection of the capital also very important. Because if you exhaust right now, then when uptrend is come and when your time is come, you won't take any decision because of fear and maybe a lack of capital. So protect your capital, add on monthly fund to your trading capital, try to study, try to research, and yes, stay positive. Thank you for the day.